SpaceX, short for Space Exploration Technologies, is an American private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company. It was founded in 2002 by entrepreneur Elon Musk with the primary goal of reducing the cost of space travel and making it possible for humanity to become a multi-planetary species. SpaceX has gained widespread recognition and success due to its innovative approach to spaceflight and numerous achievements. One of SpaceX's groundbreaking achievements is developing and successfully implementing reusable rocket technology. The company has designed rockets that can return to Earth's surface after launching payloads into space, reducing the cost of launches significantly. SpaceX's Falcon rockets are a family of launch vehicles that include Falcon 1, Falcon 9, and Falcon Heavy. Falcon 9, in particular, has become a workhorse for commercial satellite launches, cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station, ISS, and other missions. SpaceX developed the Dragon spacecraft, which is capable of carrying cargo and crew to space. Dragon has been used for cargo resupply missions to the ISS, and played a significant role in NASA's Commercial Crew Program for crewed missions. SpaceX is working on deploying a satellite internet constellation called Starlink. This constellation aims to provide global high-speed internet coverage to underserved and remote areas around the world. SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket company, has dominated the market of carrying satellites and astronauts into orbit in recent years. Satellite operators, NASA, and the US Space Force have benefited from SpaceX's decreased prices and prolific launch rate. However, those customers, particularly the Space Force, do not want to rely on a single company. But there is another American company that is gaining momentum. United Launch Alliance is an American aerospace company that provides space launch services for both government and commercial customers. It was formed as a joint venture between two major aerospace companies, Lockheed Martin Space Systems and Boeing Defense, Space Security. The joint venture was established in December 2006. ULA was created to streamline and consolidate the launch operations of the two parent companies, and to reduce costs by combining their expertise and resources. The company's primary focus is on launching satellites, space probes, and other payloads into various orbits, including geostationary transfer orbit, low Earth orbit, and interplanetary trajectories. The Atlas V is a reliable expendable launch vehicle with a successful track record. It is known for its versatility and is used for a wide range of missions, including military and intelligence satellites, scientific missions, and interplanetary spacecraft. The Delta IV is another expendable launch vehicle capable of carrying heavy payloads to various orbits. It has been used for both military and civilian missions, including national security payloads and scientific spacecraft. ULA serves a variety of customers, including the US government, such as the Department of Defense, NASA, and the National Reconnaissance Office, and commercial satellite operators from around the world. ULA's reputation is built on its extensive experience in the aerospace industry, particularly with its parent company's long-standing histories in space exploration and defense. United Launch Alliance is also preparing its first rocket named Vulcan. Vulcan was planned to launch in May, but during testing in March, a fuel tank cracked. The hydrogen seeping from the tank erupted in a firestorm, destroying the upper stage of the Vulcan and injuring the test platform. The Vulcan, a revolutionary rocket built by the United Launch Alliance, a joint venture between Boeing and Lockheed Martin, has shown to be true. The first Vulcan was planned to launch in May, but during testing in March, a fuel tank cracked. The hydrogen seeping from the tank erupted in a firestorm, destroying the upper stage of the Vulcan and injuring the test platform. Tory Bruno, the CEO of the United Launch Alliance, told reporters on Thursday that the problem was now fully understood, that a correction was in the works and that the maiden Vulcan launch will take place later this year. ULA announced in 2014 that the Vulcan would be developed to replace the Atlas V and Delta IV. The earlier rockets are no longer produced, while work on the Vulcan is still underway. Instead of depending on Russian engines for the Vulcan, ULA turned to Blue Origin, a firm founded by Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. The Vulcan booster will be powered by Blue Origin's BE-4 engines, as well as Blue Origin's own New Glenn rocket, which is still in development. While the Blue Origin rocket engines used for the first Vulcan rocket successfully passed tests, an engine scheduled for the second mission detonated during recent testing. While facing challenges from emerging competitors, ULA continues to be a key player in the launch services market, supporting a wide range of missions for various customers. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Until next time, stay informed and stay tuned.